Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. In this video, we will discuss with you Amazon sponsored display ads expands to live streams on Twitch. Sponsored display helps enable you to reach and engage audiences throughout the shopping journey on Amazon. Twitch is a video streaming service with a highly engaged audience. To help brands better engage audiences in these important entertainment contexts, sponsored display is expanding to serve ads where audiences come to spend their time on Twitch, on channels, during a creator's live stream. Advertisers can use sponsored display audiences based on shopping and streaming signals, including custom-built audiences and Amazon audiences, to engage relevant Twitch viewers on these channels, in addition to the Browse tab and Discovery pages on Twitch. When should you use sponsored display on Twitch? Build your brand with existing audiences. Reach existing audiences who have viewed or purchased from your brand in new entertainment contexts like Twitch. By complementing your existing sponsored products and sponsored brands campaigns with sponsored display, you can help better engage audiences throughout their shopping journey. Amazon recommend to use their custom image creatives to help engage existing audiences. Discover new audiences. Help discover new audiences in other parts of their shopping journey by reaching audiences who have viewed or purchased in or out of the aisle, as well as across our pre-built Amazon audiences. Advertisers who use sponsored display audiences, on average, are seeing up to 82% of their sales driven by new-to-brand customers. As you launch new products or seek to improve the visibility of existing products, Amazon recommend using headlines, logos or custom images to help you stand out. How to set up a sponsored display audiences campaign. When creating a sponsored display campaign, select audiences as your engagement strategy. Choose your audiences by expanding the Amazon Audiences option. When creating your audiences, Twitch options will automatically populate under Entertainment. I hope this video is helpful. We do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. So if that's something interesting, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.